Today we are going to learn constructional features of hand auger, its application, different sizes of hand auger. The objectives of this video are: after the session you will be able to explain the constructional features of hand auger, list the application of hand auger, state the size of the hand auger. Let's start.
A hand auger with a twisted shank and threaded point is similar to a twist bit with a long shank and used for boring large deep holes for poles, etc. in hardwood. The hand auger is available in sizes from 6 mm to 25 mm. Parts of a hand auger: point, shank, eye hole, body, handle. Let's see each of them in detail. Point. Point in the hand auger is shaped like a screw which is responsible for cutting. Shank. It consists of an eye hole to fit a crossbar or a handle to the shank so that it gives greater leverage. Body. The portion between the screw and the shank is called the body of an auger. The parts of the body are twisted. The twisted helps to form the cutting edges, to curl the wood chips and allow these to come out. Handle. The handle is often made out of hardwood. It is fitted into the eye hole. The handle makes it easier for us to turn it, and so it gives greater leverage. Now, let's see how to use auger. Sharpen screw point at a proper angle. Hold the auger straight. Mark the drill point with center punch. Drive the handle clockwise with slow speed and high torque operation. Care and maintenance. Do not damage the threaded point. Make sure the handle is properly fitted. Now let's use the auger to make some holes. First, let's check the wooden piece size with the folding rule and make sure that the length, breadth and height of the wooden piece is 175 mm by 75 mm by 25 mm. Now, mark the locating holes using folding rule, marking gauge, tri-square as per the drawing. Hold the wooden workpiece in vise firmly using the handle in the vise. Place the auger on one of the marked locations and turn it clockwise to make the hole. Similarly, repeat the above process to make the other hole.
Recap. In this session, we looked at what are hand augers, the parts of the hand auger which are point, shank, eye hole, body, handle, and we looked at each of them in detail, and finally we learnt how to use the hand auger. Hope you understood everything taught in this session. See you in another video. Thank you and goodbye. Until then.